Good on mother.
Ano na si Third? May ubo?
Oh, pain mo. Where's the dolphin?
Ang ubo ni Third,
Where's the
kamusta na?
dolphin?
Nagbumaga, ano, pinapay na niya ng gamot?
Where's the tiger? Where's the tiger? Find me.
Ha?
Show mo, Daddy, where's the tiger? Tiger.
Nagbilay?
Very
Yung
good.
ubo.
Where's the pig?
Nawawala na yung ubo niya?
Pig. Pig.
Konti na lang?
Where's the lizard?
Wala na talaga ubo?
Lizard. Very good. Where's the crocodile?
Saan ang pilay niya?
Very good. Where's the elephant?
Nasa likod. Nalaglag siya sa bahay. Kailan?
Very elephant. Very good.
Ikaw nagbabantay?
Where's the sheep? Sheep.
Sino nagbabantay? Ba't
Where's the
nalaglag?
sheep? Sheep. Very good. Where's the monkey? Monkey.
Pag manok,
Monkey. Where's the monkey? Show mo, where's the monkey? There oh.
Sa trabaho, hindi naman ako.
There oh, monkey.
Aalis na ako dito pero hindi ako uwi. Baka nagpapatrabaho.
Show mo, Daddy, where's the monkey?
Kaysa naman dyan
Show mo,
ako.
Daddy, where's the monkey? Where's the monkey?
Naku,
Monkey. No, not that one. There oh.
Ha?
There oh.
Hindi na?
Monkey, very good.
Oo, baka...
Yay! Clap your hands. Where's the giraffe?
Hindi pa naman ako sinagot ng...
Very good. Now, where's the lion? Show
Hindi
me
pa nga.
the
Sure,
lion.
nagsabi, nagpaalam na.
Where's the lion?
Gusto mo naman?
Where's the
Nagpaalam
lion?
ako pero hindi nga niya ako
Very
sinagot kung
good.
papayag siya o hindi.
Ah.
Hindi nga ako uwi rin kaya alis ako.
What is your name?
Ang trabaho.
How old are you? Wow. Where's your eyes? Where's your teeth?
Paano yan? Okay, sa naman, gusto mo.
Where's your
ako
tongue?
yan. Anong gagawin natin? Palamunin.
Very good. Where's your shoulder? Tummy, where's your tummy?
Hindi ko ganun kung natrabaho.
Where's your knee?
Mo pa uwiin.
Nick? Very good. Where's your chin?
Ano?
Chin, where's your chin?
Ano?
Very good. Where's your lips? Lips? Yeah, chin. Where's your lips? Where's your lips? Curry. Where's curry lips? Curry lips. Very good.